gonna turn on my light. Make sure you like and subscribe. So the first thing is we're gonna use Grwm serum. It's scented watermelon. So I'm gonna be talking about some things. Me and my mom did this with Trinity. This was hers, but it's too small. So I decided we can trade. Look, that's her. I'm gonna read to show you. This is my drawers. This can lock. Secret. Slide mirror. Touch screen. And yeah. So me and her switched because I said I wanted this switch. So I just felt like it was good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna and I'm gonna be talking about videos I am gonna be making. So I am going to be doing shorts and get ready sneeze videos and like yeah. And I am doing vlogs. I'm gonna do a day in my life and us cleaning the pool tomorrow. Not just cleaning the pool. So then after when it's filled up, like when it's filled up, I am going to be swimming inside of the water, and I'm gonna bring out with us while we go swimming in our backyard. Okay, so then we'll be going swimming in our backyard. I can't wait until the pool is in so we can, like, swim and stuff. And I can't wait to swim. So, like, swimming is just my sport, I guess. It's not really my sport, but, like, I'm gonna say that it's not my sport. But like I'm just gonna say I like swimming. Like who else doesn't like swimming? If you don't like swimming, get out. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this. I am gonna be doing day in my life. I can't wait until the pool is set. Like I'm so excited. You guys know how excited I am. I'm excited that I'm excited that I am going to be doing my pillows. And I'm gonna do a video of how to do splits. Cut. Next thing we're using serum. Yes, serum. And I actually so how's your day been going? Should I be recording myself playing Roblox? And tomorrow I'm gonna be recording me and my brother doing a build off in blocks. I am building a house already, but like I want to do a build off, but the theme is gonna be like maybe like a coffee shop or a brain rot. I don't know. But we're doing a build off tomorrow after we're done with the pool. But actually, in the morning when we're done doing our chores, we are going to do the build off. I am so excited for the build off in Bloxburg. And if you want to do a meet and greet with me, which I'm going to do a video, type your name, type your Roblox username inside the comment below section so I can friend you or you can friend me. And by the way, my name is Pink Palm Puff 6588. And like it just says Pink Palm Puff 6588. And here I didn't turn my ring or nothing. So my name is Pink Palm Puff. Okay, so my name's Pink Palm Puff. That's it. So That's my. So all you gotta do is just type that on Roblox. If you don't have Roblox, that's okay. But just ask you. Next reason, because this is facial serum. See facial serum. I mean, not facial serum. No. Packaging. It has melatonin and aloe or aloe in it. Aloe sounds cool. Okay, we're gonna put this on. And yes, it's like 10. It's actually 11:06, so it's actually good for me to be actually doing this because. I can't. Okay, y'all. I am moving to Florida. Yeah, I'm moving to Florida. I'm moving to Florida. Moving to Florida. Moving to Florida. Yo, what's your favorite state y'all been to or y'all at right now? Like, what's your favorite state? Mine is Florida because, well, country or state. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I know I do like Florida, Hawaii, even though I haven't been there. It looks so fun. Next. Oh no. Yeah. It's taking long. This doesn't make my face shiny. It actually takes care of my face. If you didn't know, you thought I was this way. So we're gonna use this. It's called a jade or a jad. I'm gonna call it jade because it sounds like that. Because it's JAD. If I'm pronouncing this right. And yes, I know how to read. If you're asking me, and you're probably like, "Ooh, she doesn't know how." Like who said that? Okay. So I'm gonna be talking about who's my favorite YouTuber. My favorite YouTuber is Zari, Jordan Matter, Danny and Dana. If you don't know, go search it up right now. DANY. I meant DANI. Dana. I meant Danny. DANI for Danny, and then then you're gonna type in DANNAH. Danny and Dana. Their name is so similar. Oh, and if you don't know them or you forgot, they called Jesus. That song called Jesus. If your bro got with you, call Jesus. If your bro got with you, call Jesus.
Bruh.
Okay, that was a little bit. If your bro got with you, call Jesus. If they lie in your face, call Jesus. Yeah. Okay, actually forgot. If you got a fake friend, call.
HEHE. It's not. It's.
Yo, that song is actually fire. And you know that song where she said, "How was school today? Good." Okay, and it was like, I'll take the bracelet, but I won't take you. I won't take you. I love those two songs, like they made. There are other songs I don't know. I really don't know, but I know I watched. Hold on. Hold up. Say what? Okay. I'm getting over it. Okay. Why would you just burp? My mom did that. She's so funny, y'all. She has a TikTok account, and I don't know what it is, but I'll make sure I'll give you her TikTok account if I can. Next thing. Oh, next thing. Skin cream. Let's try. Next up is skin cream. Open. Cruise. Y'all, actually, if y'all like get ready scenes, watch this one. Yo, I'm just trying to make subscribers make videos now. Cause I actually like making videos. I like making videos. They're just so cool and entertaining. Like, have you listened to the ASMR sound slime? If you haven't, go watch it now. I'm just kidding. Actually, for real, go watch it now. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. Okay. So what videos type do you want me to do? Like, uh, mix, like I like you thought. Excuse, stop, and where? Okay. Next we have eye cream. It's this. You want some? Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Let me put it on. Y'all see it? Can y'all see? Y'all can't see it? Stop. Y'all see now? Oh, y'all can't see. Y'all can't see. Oh, y'all can't see? Okay. Can y'all see now? Y'all wanted some, didn't y'all? Okay, basically, we're gonna put a little bit under my eye, then around. Y'all can see I had like black things, but they're kind of going away from me using this. Okay. Woo. Y'all like my lashes? The natural. Let's say a little bit of lip gloss can't do the trick. It can't do the trick. Okay. What's up? Okay. You said you wanted some, didn't you? Okay, I'm gonna do. Is that perfecto? Want some more? Okay. Want some more? You know those people that be doing this and actually using it, but then after they be like, yo, why does it look like I got long lashes? It reminds me, I'm gonna use my mom lashes. Yo, I can't really show y'all the lashes, so I cut this out a little bit. I can't see. Lipstick, the lip balm. This is geometric, yo. Please. Okay, y'all see this? Ain't that cute? Okay, let me really show you. This is what the final look is. Bye, guys. Bye, besties. Peace out. Boom. Peace out. Bye.